Hey, hello everyone, this is Diana Castillo from MakeHvordan, and in this video I'm gonna be sharing with you how to make money online blogging. Okay, this is not gonna be a blog that you're gonna create for hobby, just for fun, but to make money online. But before getting to the topic, if this is the very first time you're in my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Do not forget to hit the notification bell. I'm updating my channel pretty consistently, and I usually talk about how to make money online, passive income, lead generation, traffic sources, and related topics. So if this is something that you want to go ahead and master, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Do not forget to hit the notification bell. I don't want you to miss a video. As I mentioned before, I'm going to be sharing with you how to make money online blogging profits. Again, this is not something that you're going to be doing for hobby, just for fun, but to make money online. And chances are you're watching this video on YouTube and you're wondering like, hey, Diana talking about blogging, really? What she really knows about this? Well, let me tell you, back in 2007, I started my own blog network. It was pretty successful. At that time, I was doing everything in Spanish, so chances are that maybe you never hear about it. And I did this because I was looking for a way to make money online, right? So by that time, YouTube wasn't my thing, right? I think, if I'm not wrong, it was kind of hard to monetize your YouTube channel because Google was not the owner of YouTube. So anyways, I was on blogging and I was like, hey, okay, this sounds like fun. I'm gonna create this. I actually start with just 2 blogs, to be honest. I end up with about 10 blogs. Every one of each has their own niche. I'm gonna be talking about more in a moment, but I want you to understand that I know what I'm talking about. And this is based on my experience and my advice. So you can leave it or take it, right? But I know what I'm talking about. Anyways, if you're really serious about making money blogging, the very first thing that you need to understand is that you need to set up a blog. A lot of people are out there daydreaming about this, right? But they never start a blog. And, that's the very first step. You don't need to have any kind of technical knowledge. I know a lot of people are scared today because they think that, they need to be some kind of programmers, designers, and that's not really the case, okay? You can install and you can have a blog up and running in less than 10 minutes. You can use a platform that is called WordPress. That is like the best platform for blogging, and it's actually for free. You can install a theme. A theme is like the design. It can be free or premium. A lot of people are like, okay, so I need to create a custom design. No, not really. There are a lot of great designs for free. You can start with a free design. And if you require it in the future, you can evolve and you can create, or you can use a premium one, which is a paid one. It's going to be between $30, $50. Or you can create your own custom thing, right? Something that you need to understand is that, and this is something that I mentioned before, like every single one of my blogs, they used to have a specific niche. They used to talk about a specific topic. Well, we used to write about a specific topic on them. So what is your blog is going to be all about, okay? It can be something generic. Maybe you're going to be in the weight loss industry and you're going to be covering topics for teenagers, men, women, so it can be something generic or it can be niche specific. Let's say that I'm on the weight loss industry as well, but I decided that I'm going to be doing this, but weight loss just for women. So my target audience is going to be just women. So it's going to be really niche specific. So maybe I can talk about yoga. Maybe I can talk about how to lose weight after you give birth. How to keep working out maybe it's not going to be about weight loss, but how you can keep working out while you're pregnant. So as you can see, it's really niche specific. So you need to know what is your blog is going to be all about. Again, you don't need to have any kind of technical knowledge. You need to get a domain. Okay, I know you can use subdomains, but it's not really professional. People are not going to take you serious about this. So you need to get a domain. I usually buy my domains on name.com. So if you want to use my affiliate link, I'm going to leave a link below. And if you're looking for a good hosting, Banner hosting is the way to go. It's $6.95 per month. And you're going to have your hosting. By the way, your domain can be $12.95 or maybe $10 per year. So it's really affordable. Okay, so if you want to click on the link from Banner Hosting and use my link, I'm going to leave the link below. Again, you're going to be using WordPress. It's the best blogging platforms. They do have a lot of free themes, a lot of cool plugins, and you can install it with just like 3 clicks, right? Almost every single hosting you can install it like really easy. So again, there's no technical knowledge required, and there is a low entry cost, but you need to take it this serious, and you make sure that you feel passionate about this. If you really want to make 6 figures per year, maybe 7 figures per year with just blogging, and trust me, it is possible. Then, okay, you have your blog, right, with your domain, with your hosting. Cool. You already choose what's your topic. You need to start creating content to generate traffic. One of the things that I love about blogging is that it's all about attraction marketing. People are going to consume your content. Okay, people are going to go on Google, right? People might share your content, valuable, and on social networks. So it's going to be all about attraction marketing. So people are going to be really interested in what you have to offer. But you need to create valuable content that, depending on your niche, it can be helpful. You can be teaching something, or it can be some kind of entertainment, right? Okay, you need to understand who is the person that is searching for this type of content. Okay, remember my example, I put like, okay, it's going to be on the weight loss, but my main target is going to be women. Okay, so you need to understand that whenever I'm going to create a content, right, it's going to be based on that persona. That persona is going to be in my mind. So I'm not going to be talking about something for guys, because that's not my audience. That's not what I want to cover, right? So the same for you. Yeah, I know it's going to be tempting to say like, okay, I'm going to be doing a magazine because this is really easy. This is simple to use WordPress and to create categories. Trust me, it's super simple. But magazines are really hard to rank. Okay? Are really hard to rank, and by ranking I mean do SEO, search engine optimization. So that means that put your content on the very first pages on Google, because it's so random. You can talk about several things, so you will need years if you really want to make money online. But if you're niche specific, you don't need to have that much traffic. Okay, you will need to have a certain amount of people, and because that people is really target, they are gonna jump into your content, and you're gonna be making money. Again, this is something that is going to be working on the long run, especially if you are on a budget. So you need to understand that you need to be consistent. You need to create as much content as you can, and you need to be consistent as you can. If you want, you can create just 1 blog post per day. Let's say that you are working, you're super busy, life happen. So maybe you can create just 5 really good articles per week. That's okay. Just put them Monday to Friday. That's it. Rather than to program them to put all them 5 on Monday, right? So because we want to keep consistent, we want people to know that we are updating our blog. One article per day, it's good. It's not like the super best, but it's good. It's better, right? People know that they can return. The Google bots, these bots that are searching our content, they know like, hey, this guy or this girl, they are actually updating their content pretty consistently. Okay, so your chances to rank are going to be way higher. You also need to build your list. Okay, remember that I told you that blogging is attraction marketing. So it's a great way to generate leads. Okay, it's a great way to generate leads. I know at the beginning we're like, okay, what can we offer? Oh, maybe we're gonna put like a pop-up, or we're gonna put these banners, and we're gonna tell people like, hey, subscribe so you can get our content, right? Like a newsletter. You are gonna get people now and then, but try to give them something for free, right? It can be an ebook, a mini course, a video, a PDF, like a cheat sheet, right? Or a checklist. It's gonna be something related to your topic, right? So they are like, okay, I'm gonna be giving my email because I want to have this free ebook, for example. So after they download the ebook, you can keep sending them notifications, but you're gonna have way more people who are interested in you, in your blog, in your content, if you're giving them something for free. The tool that I use to do email marketing is actually Aweber. I'm gonna leave a link below as well so you can give it a try. It's a 30-day free trial. Okay. Once you have your list, you need to start doing email marketing. This is the best. At the beginning, it doesn't make sense, right? But it's the best way to automate your marketing. Okay. It's the best way to build trust with people, because you are going to be sending them valuable content. You can do that on a daily. And actually, remember that the key here is that everything is going to be automated. So you are going to set it up once, and it doesn't matter where the person is. Maybe you are currently in the US and that person is in Europe, right? They're going to receive the notification or the information, in this case, the ebook that we talked about before, right away. So you don't have to be like all sleepy, like, oh, who jumped into my newsletter? Oh, Bob, Diana, Susan. No, I need to send them the information. No, everything is going to be automated. You're going to be building a relationship with the person via email. You're going to be building trust. And again, it's going to be working for you 24/7. So it's actually amazing. You need to have something to sell to your audience. This is a mistake that I did at the beginning. It was like, okay, I'm going to monetize everything with Google AdSense. And yeah, I was doing a lot of money with Google AdSense. Yeah, it works. But to be honest, if people are paying for ads, it's because they're making way more money than a couple of cents, right? Or $1 that they're spending per ad. So I find out that you can promote your own product, or you can promote someone else's products. Like me, I do affiliate marketing. I haven't created my own product yet. So again, let's say that we are on the weight loss industry. Remember, weight loss for women. So I can go to ClickBank, right? Or I can go to a Hotmart or any other platform, right? And I can start promoting these products. And every single time somebody purchases, because A, they're interested on the weight loss topics that I'm covering. These are women. So I know it's a really target audience, right? I'm keep sending them my articles every single time. And not actually my articles, but a couple of lines, or it can be a brief summary, right? And I can tell them, like, if you want to continue reading it, click here. So they're going to land on my post, right? And I can offer them these products every now and then. So again, we're going to be creating, a relationship. You can have the best funnel. You can have the best product, okay? But if no one knows about it, equals nothing, okay? So remember, again, let me go back. The very first thing is that you need to set up your blog, okay? Who is your blog? What is your blog is gonna be all about? Who is the target market? Remember, no technical knowledge required. Then you need to create content to get traffic. Be consistent. That's key. Most people don't fail online. They quit. Okay, especially with this type of businesses, because hey, your domain is going to be $12 per year and your hosting is going to be $6.95 per year. So you need to be consistent. A lot of things can change in a year. You need to build your list. Again, if you want to do it, I use Aweber. The link is below, so you can have 30 days for free. You're going to be doing email marketing. Remember, it's going to be working for you 24/7, sending valuable content, information, selling them things now and then. And this is actually how you're going to make money online. Okay, now that you know about this, if you want to know what's my number one recommendation right now to make money online, I'm going to leave the link below. It's going to be the very first link in the description. If you have some questions regarding blogging, okay, leave the questions in the comment area and I'll be more than happy to answer them. I hope you like this video. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the thumbs up, and share this content with someone you think he or she might enjoy it. This is it for this video, and I see you on the next one.